끔찍한 범죄를 저지르고도 뻔뻔하기만 한 범죄자.
Murdered. Some would call that a late-term abortion. She was carrying a bastardized crime against humanity.
Bastardized, huh? Is that what you call it? That's why you killed your wife?
I never said I killed her. I'm just not sad about it.
오히려 뛰어난 말솜씨로 경찰들을 조롱하며 상황을 유리하게 이끌어갔죠.
Is there a doctor on the way? I requested medical attention.
You don't need no doctor, man. You're not hurt. Nobody touched you.
No, not hurt. Sick. I got a terrible case of life's fitful fever. Either way, you're running out of time. So once a request is made, you have 3 hours to take me to a doctor or bring one to me. That is in your manual, Akbar. Did you, read your manual? Does your boy know how to read?
What the fuck is wrong with you? You call it boy? Get the fuck off me, man.
Are you stupid?
You heard what he said to me, right?
Doesn't matter. You cannot lay hands on him. Without a confession, we don't have shit.
Then we don't have shit.
He's right, Mass. We've been going at this guy for hours. He's never gonna give it up.
He already did. You just didn't hear it.
크로스는 심리학 박사인 동시에 도시에서 가장 뛰어난 경찰이었는데요.
Hello, Richard.
You the doctor?
Yeah, technically, yes. PhD, psychology.
Okay. Let's see how long you last.
You ever hear the phrase free chicken? It's a military term about an objective you can take without having to work for it. Like you.
방금까지 동료를 농락하던 범죄자를 가지고 놀기 시작했는데
You're not in my head, boy, and you're not getting a confession.
Oh, I'm definitely living rent-free. And you already confessed. I'm just amusing myself right now.
I didn't say anything.
Yeah, you did. Life's fitful fever. Yeah, I caught that. It's Macbeth, right? It's the affliction caused by the burden of guilt. You said that's what's making you sick. That's a confession on tape. Free chicken.
마지막까지 그의 자존심을 박살내며 철저하게 짓밟아 주었죠.
Well, good luck getting a conviction with that.
Already checked with the DA. She's ready to file. And hey, this is DC, Slim. You might not even see your arraignments. Not without protective custody.
상부에선 그런 그에게 최근에 터진 골칫거리인 사건을 맡기기로 하는데요.
We need you guys to take over the Amir Goodspeed case. Found dead in his car 4 days ago. Apparent overdose, but we need to check the boxes from top to bottom on this one.
You giving me a new case?
Yeah, I heard about you requesting leave. That's going to have to wait.
하필 피해자가 경찰 예산 삭감을 주장하던 활동가였기에 경찰에 타깃이 된 것이라는 음모론이 일어나고 있던 것입니다.
I'm gonna get Vega and DeLachner to get you guys up to speed.
그렇게 사건을 조사하기 위해 피해자의 유가족을 만나게 되는데
Y'all had to cut his hair off too? Killing him wasn't enough?
I don't know what you mean.
Amir had a full head of beautiful locks. When they found him, they were shaved off. That is some biblical disrespect.
Do you really think the police department killed your brother? Or you just fundraising?
It ain't a stretch. Look at all the Ferguson activists who turned up dead. And what about Keenan Anderson? His cousin was one of the founders of BLM. Tyree Nichols, Sandra Bland. Y'all been doing this. Shit, we could take it all the way back to Fred Hampton.
So there's no chance this is what it looks like. OD.
My brother smoked weed every now and then. He wasn't doing no hard drugs.
다행히 가족들 모두가 경찰이 범인이라고 생각하는 것은 아니었는데요.
I remember you standing up for me in court back when he was a troublemaker named Kenny.
I could tell he had a good heart. I lost my wife, Maria, a little over a year ago. I know it's not the same, but I bet it's close.
You can brace yourself for the worst parts. But it's the little things that catch you off guard and take your breath away. Walk in the bathroom and see his toothbrush. Open up the refrigerator and see all that turkey bacon.
Guessing that came with the name change, huh?
Yeah. Boy came home from prison talking about we couldn't keep no more pork in the house. I told him if it was between him and bacon, he had to go. That boy called my bluff, and now I got a refrigerator full of...
어떻게든 자식의 억울함을 풀어주고 싶다는 마음뿐이었죠.
Please, find out what happened to my baby.
I promise.
그리고 그날 밤 크로스는 여자친구와 함께 어떤 파티에 참석하게 되는데
I'm sorry I'm late.
Don't talk. You're just eye candy.
상류층 인원들이 모이는 이곳에선 그녀가 운영하는 재단에 거금을 기부해줄 사람이 넘쳐나도록 많았는데요.
Saint L, you look incredible.
And it's so good to see you.
We're breaking 6 figures for your foundation tonight, I promise.
Alex, this is Ed Ramsey. He's a huge supporter of the Somewhere Foundation.
Hey.
Ed, this is
Oh, I know who you are. I am a huge fan, Detective Cross. I followed the Gary Sinigi case like one of my own kids had been taken. Oh, and I heard on the news that they put you on the Goodspeed case. That's great. That one really hits home.
Did you know Amir?
No, I didn't, but I do know what it's like to lose a family member and not get answers. My mother was killed when I was in college.
Oh my God, Ed, I didn't know.
It's okay, it was years ago, but we never did find out who or why.
Well, we don't know if Amir's death was foul play.
Of course, I don't need to add fuel to any conspiracy theory. I just hope that family gets closure.
파티의 주최자인 애들은 누가 봐도 훌륭한 인품의 소유자처럼 보였습니다.
A lot of people in this town owe me favors, and well, I enjoy calling them in. Plus, I throw the city's best party every year. Elle's already on that guest list, so.
Let's see if he lasts that long.
Well, if you ever need anything, please.
Thank you.
Have fun.
If I last.
다음 날 크로스는 동료와 함께 에미르의 부검 결과를 들으러 가는데
Hey, what's up, fellas? I heard you threw the hot potato on your lap.
You got something for us?
Well, not much to add to the prelims. Likely an overdose. Also, I can tell he died shortly after eating, which is why I don't think it was a suicide. Last meal was practically intact. He had some mashed potatoes, pork chops, asparagus.
사건에 대해 조사할수록 심증이 굳어지게 되는데요.
Here's the psychology behind religious conversion. Those who convert later in life, they get to pick and choose the rules and rituals that they follow. It's what helps them mix the new religion with their old life.
Yeah, you're making my point here.
There's a catch. The rules they do choose to follow, they're fanatics. They don't break those, not for anything, all right? Amir would never voluntarily eat pork.
What are you saying, that somebody force-fed Goodspeed and then killed him?
Absolutely.
그가 확신하는 이유는 한 가지만이 아니었죠.
This is Amir a week before he died. Locks, full beard. That's how they found him. Clean shape. He would have never done that by choice either.
Well, we can't know what was in his mind.
See, I'm more concerned with what was going through the mind of his killer. We're talking about someone who not only needs to kill, but has to do so in a very specific way. Whoever murdered Amir had to change him into someone else first. Why?
You keep saying murder, but that is not on the menu. You have two options, accident or suicide.
Chief, are you trying to solve a crime or a PR problem?
All right. I'll give you 48 hours to put some proof behind this.
그렇게 에미르의 전화 기록을 살피게 되는데
Last call was to a burner. Salerno says it'll take a couple weeks to find out who it's linked to.
No, we don't have that kind of time. I'll see if I can get Kayla to do us a favor. What's up, Nana Mama?
갑작스러운 연락에 우선 학교를 찾아가게 됩니다.
Dr. Cross.
How you doing, Mr. Brock?
Good. Have a seat.
Where'd you get that?
무슨 일인지 그는 상담보다 아들의 옷차림에 신경 쓰게 되는데요.
Look, I know a lot of our emails go straight to people's spam, but this has been policy for months now. No Redskin paraphernalia on campus.
Damon, where did you get that?
Home.
Wait, where exactly in the house?
Mom's closet.
Oh, that belonged to Mrs. Cross?
그 목도리는 아내가 죽었을 때 하고 있었지만 끝내 찾지 못했던 것이었죠.
You think Maria's killer snuck in your house? Put this in Maria's closet for Damon to find?
How else could it get there?
You know what I sound?
Yes.
What do you want me to do?
Give it to Quincy. Have him check to see if there's anything on there we can get DNA from.
You don't need me for that.
If I do it, it'll become a thing. You know that. You're the reason for that.
Okay. There it is. See, I knew you was gonna do this. You wanna blame me?
But you reported me, John. Cost me my job.
Sugar, it's temporary. Believe me, I wasn't trying to get Massey to take your badge.
You knew something would happen. I got a 6-month suspension.
I thought they make you see a shrink. Look, I'm trying to help, man.
You want to help? Take that to Q.
하지만 존은 그의 부탁에 비협조적이었는데
Maria had at least a dozen scars like the one Damon found, right?
John, you talking to me about the last day that I saw my wife alive. I remember all of it. Every detail. I wouldn't send you on a wild goose chase.
I think you're desperate for answers he might not get. We might never find out who killed Maria.
Don't you fucking say that, John. You don't know that.
I'm trying to manage expectations, Sugar. All right, the last time you chased the ghost down the rabbit hole, I had to stop you from putting a bullet in an innocent man's head.
I didn't pull the trigger, did I?
What if I hadn't gotten there?
시간이 지나도 아픔을 극복하지 못하는 친구를 진심으로 걱정했기 때문이었습니다.
Look, you need to deal with losing Maria.
Hey, dealing with the grief and wanting to find Maria's killer are two different things. I dealt with the loss.
Really? How? No, how? You ain't talked to your best friend about it? You won't go see a professional.
Everything okay?
Yeah. Starving. See.
찜찜함을 뒤로하고 우선 사건에 집중하기 위해 FBI에서 일하는 친구까지 찾아가게 되는데요.
So listen,
You been following the Goodspeed case?
Just what's on the news. You guys think it's an overdose?
Not anymore. It's looking like murder. We were hoping that this number is linked to the killer. It's a burner. Now, my folks were telling me it'd take a couple weeks to get an ID. I was hoping you could speed that up.
Stay by your phone.
그녀는 날이 밝자마자 찾아와 조사한 결과를 가르쳐주게 되죠.
That burner phone that you've been chasing was purchased at a car wash in Hillcrest Heights.
Were you able to get a name?
I got better than that. His name is Tavio Lemons, shot caller from Mayfair.
Yep. I know exactly who he is.
그래서 곧바로 타비오를 찾아가게 되는데
Tavio, we need to talk. About what? That man's last phone call. We know it was to you. Yep, run it! Tavio! Over this shit! Get up! No!
그는 인질극까지 벌이며 격렬하게 저항했는데요.
I didn't kill him, all right? I swear. Okay, let's talk about it. There ain't nothing to talk about. Get the fuck out.
Do that. You don't have to do that. We just have questions.
I'm not saying shit. I ain't saying shit. And so I got Lord right here next to me.
That's perfect. That's all we want is a chance to talk, but you have to let her go first.
I can't.
Come on, man. It's not a lot of good options here, Tavio. Let us help you. Tavio.
크로스의 말에 설득되어 간신히 진정하게 됩니다. 그때 상황이 점차 악화되자 청장은 급하게 사건을 덮으려 했는데
Tavio Lemons was shot in retaliation for killing Amir.
No. There's no way. Tavio knew something, but he didn't do it.
That's why I told her. The Justice for Amir crowd is blaming us for 2 killings now, so Chief Anderson wants to spin it.
The only way to spin this is to find the real killer.
하지만 당장은 별다른 수단이 없어 우선 목도리의 조사 결과를 확인하기로 합니다.
Heard back from Quincy. He ran some hairs and fibers from that scarf. Now, most of them were Maria's, but one definitely was not. One long strand of Caucasian hair.
When can we get a DNA profile?
A couple weeks. But here's the thing. The hair was tied to the scarf, not tangled. Somebody knotted that hair into a thread on the scarf.
They wanted it to be found. Hey, yo! Hey, who sent the flowers?
I don't know. I just delivered. Sugar, you need to see this.
꽃을 보낸 사람은 그에게 상당한 악의를 가지고 있는 듯 했는데요.
Hello.
Would you like to know what her last words were?
Who is this?
I'm sure you know everything about her. Favorite food, favorite color, song. You could probably tell me her proudest moment and her deepest fear. But you don't know the last thing your wife said before she died.
Who is this? Where are you?
We'll meet soon enough.
엎친 데 덮친 격으로 사건의 유일한 단서였던 타비오의 휴대폰까지 사라지게 되죠.
He must have dished it somewhere between the apartment and where he got shot. They turned the place upside down but didn't find anything.
All right, so Tavio was Amir's last phone call. Now they both dead. That phone is our only decent lead.
하지만 진짜 문제는 따로 있었는데
Both this video and the outrage around it have gone viral. We've got protesters outside City Hall day and night.
안 그래도 여론이 들끓던 사건이 타비오의 죽음으로 더욱 커지게 된 것이죠. 그러다 무언가를 발견하게 되는데요.
There. Let's see that again.
She took the phone.
그녀의 정체는 타비오의 여자친구로 남자친구의 억울한 죽음을 풀어주기 위해 핸드폰을 빼돌린 것이었습니다.
Just take care of Tavi while I keep low. I need to get this phone to someone who can get us justice. Why you? People gonna see my baby daddy and just see another black gangbanger gunned down in the street. If I don't act like his life meant something, who the fuck else will?
If you gonna go off caping, make sure you protect yourself.
Thank you.
그리고 뒤늦게 크로스가 그녀의 집을 찾아가게 되는데
How you doing? I'm Detective Alex Cross. I'm here to speak to Vanessa Norris.
I know who you are, Detective Cross. Vanessa's not here.
Right, I just need 5 minutes of Vanessa's time.
Vanessa is not here.
Auntie?
Not now, baby.
She's not in trouble, okay? Not with us.
Then why are you looking for her?
We know she has Tavio's phone.
My game's not working.
That is your mama's tablet. I don't know how to fix that shit, Tavi. I'm sorry.
Hey, is that Animal Habitat? I know that theme song anyway. My kids play it all the time. No, I could probably help if you want. Oh, man, show me what you got. You're stuck in the desert habitat. Yeah, I've been there. You see, what you have to do is change yourself into a tortoise, right? And then dig under the sand so you can get out. Do you know the difference between a tortoise and a turtle?
Turtle goes in the water. Mommy read it to me in one of my books.
Really?
Thank you, Detective Cross, but it's time for you to go.
I really want to help your mom, Tabby. Can you tell me where she is right now?
Yeah, and when I go see her, I can ride the white horsey all I want.
Get the fuck out of my house.
결국 별로 알아낼 수 있는 정보는 없었는데요.
Sis, give it up.
Nah, but Vanessa's kid was in there. He said something about riding a white horse when he goes to see his mom. Might mean something.
Is that all you got? You want to give it a shot, John? You better hope Kayla comes to the rescue. She's still tracking Tavio's phone. If that ever pops back up.
그리고 집으로 돌아가 아들에게 새로운 피아노 선생님을 소개해주기로 합니다.
You can't make me play piano with some stuffy old white lady.
Damn it! That's enough.
Don't be too hard on him. Well, if you're too scared to play, it won't matter who your teacher is, so.
I'm not scared.
No? Huh. Talented kid who doesn't want to hear about the program. Sure sounds like scared to me.
Well, I'm not.
All right, mister. Let me see you do your scale.
그러다 타비오의 핸드폰이 추적되었다는 연락을 듣게 되는데
Tavio's phone is back on.
It was, but only long enough to ping one tower. If it pings another, we'll be able to get a more precise location. But for now, we know it's somewhere in this radius.
DC? She was smart. She skipped town by now. Although shit, could be some junkie turned it on. Or there is no white horsey. And we're chasing our tails based on some kid's imagination. Kid's imagination.
That's what Vanessa's been doing. She's thinking like a kid. Her whole world's been turned upside down. She'd crave familiarity, routine. She'd be drawn to places that she recognizes. That's what would make her feel safe.
Her work is here.
Right?
Tabby's daycare is here.
And I bet she buys Tabby's workbooks right there after picking them up from daycare.
Paradise Motel just down the block from that drugstore.
Last time I was there, you know what I saw sitting right out front?
그렇게 의심되는 모텔을 찾아가게 되는데요.
Have you seen this woman?
Oh, yeah. Little cute joint. 222.
Deuce as well.
제대로 된 정답을 맞추게 되죠.
Vanessa Norris! Oh, shit! Oh, shit!
하지만 이미 늦어버린 뒤였는데.
Stand back! Stand back!
Hey, can you tell me who did this? Vanessa, stay with me. Stay with me.
결국 그녀를 구하는데 실패하게 됩니다.
An innocent woman is dead. We've got no phone, no ID on the killer. This investigation is fucked. We're all fucked.
Yeah, that about covers it.
Fuck.
Kayla said that Tavio's phone sent one outgoing message before it went dead. Vanessa, I think she forwarded the evidence.
To who?
Herself.
God damn it, Cross. What the fuck happened here? She had a kid, you know that?
I need a favor. Give me 2 hours before you break anything. Just 2 hours.
Oh, no, I do not do favors.
You still do deals?
She stumbled onto something big, didn't she? I want 3 questions on background and exclusive on any story that comes out of this investigation.
그리고 마지막 단서를 위해 다시 한번 바네사의 집을 찾아가게 되는데요.
You remember me?
Auntie Mel said not to tell you anything.
But I came to tell you that I found a new trick for your game. You don't have to tell me anything. I can just show you. My kids, they found a secret code for an underwater habitat. If I can just remember the code. There you go.
어머니를 잃은 아이를 위해 진심 어린 위로를 해주기로 하는데.
It's not gonna be a good day. It's not gonna be good for a minute.
Why?
That doesn't matter, okay? The only thing that matters is that you know everything you need to deal with bad stuff is inside you. You hear me? And do you know why?
Why?
Because Mommy and Daddy put it there. They made you a superhero, Tabby. Hey.
그리고 마지막 남은 단서를 확인하게 됩니다.
Tavio, it's me. I went to that dude's house for a date, but something isn't right, man. I'm all fucked up and I didn't touch anything. He did something. I need you to pull up. I'm at 41 Price Street.
그리고 지금 그 프라이스가 41번지로 향하는 또 다른 인물이 있었는데요.
Glad you decided to come. Please.
그녀는 데이팅 어플을 통해 에드와 만나 인연이 깊어진 것이었죠.
This place is beautiful.
Thanks. Probably too much house for one guy, but what can I say? I love the history. Come on in. So, when is the interview?
2:30.
Oh.
I'm dying.
You're gonna be great. Mimosa?
No thanks. I gotta stay sharp.
그러자 그가 뜻밖의 이야기를 하게 되는데
But the thing is, it's not the mimosas that you should be worried about. It's the hand sanitizer.
What?
You're a germaphobe, aren't you? You try to hide it, but you've got a bottle in your purse right now. And you keep a bottle on your desk at work, and they're all over your apartment.
How do you know that?
Because I did my homework, Shannon. And I knew that if I put a little by the door, you'd take it. Reflex. Oh, easy. You feeling a little fuzzy? That's the fentanyl. Did you know that it absorbs right through the skin?
그제야 자신이 심각한 위기에 빠졌음을 알게 되는데요.
Whoa, I like that fight.
People know where I am. My mom. Mom.
You should call her before things get out of hand.
그런데
Shan? What's wrong, baby? Do you need mommy?
결국 또 한 명의 피해자가 발생하게 됩니다.
Hello, Eileen.
한편 크로스는 전화 녹음본을 통해 영장을 청구하려 했는데요.
Tavio, it's me. I went to that dude's house for a date, but something isn't right, man. I'm at 41 Price Street. Please, man, come quick. I'm in trouble, man.
Damn, that's chilling. You can feel the fear.
Yeah. Goodspeed was killed right after leaving that message.
Then why does the coroner's report say accidental overdose?
That was decided before I was put on the case.
So why haven't they changed it?
Come on, Dean.
It's a problem, Alex. You know it.
Multiple bodies are connected to this, Your Honor.
Connected how?
The guy that Amir called for that ride, Tavio Lemons, he was murdered before we could even talk to him. Tavio's girlfriend ends up with the phone with that voicemail. She was killed a couple days later. It all comes back to whatever went down at the Price Street address. I need a warrant to get in there, please.
It's not that simple. Right now, I don't see a crime. Neither does CME.
It is that simple. You believe me or you don't. We're friends or we're not.
Friends don't let friends get overturned on appeal.
결국 별다른 소득 없이 경찰서로 복귀하게 되는데
The DNA results from the hair you found in Maria's scarf came in.
Will you get a name?
Here's the thing, Sean.
Who is it, John?
You're not managing very well. You feel me?
I'm fine.
No, you're not. Make the appointment.
What appointment? Are you fucking serious? I'll call the lab myself.
And they'll tell you to call me.
Have you lost your mind, John? This motherfucker been in my house.
You want the name. Make the appointment. Do it right now, on speaker.
하는 수 없이 친구의 말을 들어주기로 합니다.
Dr. Adele Finley's office.
Marcy, hey, what's up? It's Alex Cross. Yeah. I just wanted to make an appointment with the doc. When's her next available?
Dr. Cross, it's been a while. Can I put you on hold while I check?
Absolutely. Name.
You're not gonna believe this.
그녀는 과거에 한 사건을 수사하며 인연이 생겼던 검사였는데요.
Don't come in here asking me for another favor, Alex.
Not about that. Someone broke into my home, didn't take anything. Instead, they left a scarf that used to belong to my wife.
What?
One that went missing the day she was killed. We sent it to the lab. They found a strand of hair that didn't belong to Maria. DNA just came back. It's yours.
그 말에 곧바로 떠오르는 기억이 있었는데
I think they killed my dog.
What?
I'm just trying to figure out how they got my hair, and I bet they're the ones that killed him.
Wait, someone killed Jeff Bailey? Why did I not hear about this?
Last time we talked, you had other priorities. But it makes sense that they take him out. His bark could wake the entire neighborhood. If Bailey's alive, they don't get in my house.
You have cameras.
Your colleagues checked out a car parked nearby. Nothing.
It might hit different now with two of us involved.
You're right. It has to be a case that we did together.
이번 일에 대한 유력한 용의자를 가르쳐주게 됩니다.
Do you remember that Jerry Cooper guy?
The St. Patrick's Day thing.
He was about to get misdemeanor for lewd behavior until you showed up and got it up to first-degree sexual assault.
What made him jump to mind?
Record gave him the max 8 years and a lifetime on the predator list. He swore he was coming after you. Do you remember what he said? He ruined my life. I'm gonna ruin his.
그 시각 존은 청장으로부터 뜻밖의 이야기를 듣게 되는데요.
You got evidence that would justify changing cause of death to murder?
You know about Tavio Lemons and Vanessa Norris getting killed, right?
We're talking about Amir Goodspeed.
Right, but they got killed to cover up what happened to him. That doesn't do it for you?
Well, not when making that change could set this city on fire. And there's other scenarios more plausible than murder.
Well, like what?
Amir Goodspeed had a long drug history, both as a seller and a user. He overdosed on drugs supplied by Tavio Lemons.
Oh, but then he called Tavio for help. You heard the voicemail.
We should let DeLackner finish.
She doesn't have anything to do with this.
I was first detective on, asshole.
Finish.
Tavio Lemons was killed by Amir Goodspeed's criminal associates.
Amir was clean.
Enough. I've seen the report.
그들은 무능함을 감추기 위해 사건을 덮으려 했죠.
Amir Goodspeed OD'd. It's vice. It's not even in your purview anymore. Tavio Lemons, Vanessa Norris, they're open homicides. Feel free to work them. Period. The end.
Shit, it won't be. It definitely won't be. 3 people murdered.
Back to work, detective.
이 소식을 크로스에게도 전해주게 되는데
Anderson won't change cause of death.
What? Why?
It gets worse, bro. DeLackner wrote up some bullshit report.
Whoa, whoa, John. You know I love you, but you gotta watch your language in here.
My bad, Miss Hannah. Won't happen again. DeLackner's still pissed off that the case got kicked to us. Anderson made a ransom report about 41 Price Street being a drug den. In Georgetown? You believe that shit?
Hey, hold on. DeLackner signed the affidavit?
Yeah, man. She's so sour, she don't want no parts of the truth.
그는 이 상황을 이용해 영장을 청구하기로 합니다.
Some first-class bullshit, Alex.
No bullshit at all, Your Honor. Detective DeLackner identified this location as a hub for narcotics activity.
So you're going in there looking for drugs?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We plan to coordinate a search with the narcotic suppression unit.
Look at you, keeping a straight face. Have you always been this good?
You know, did a little acting in high school.
Get the fuck out of here.
한편 에드는 셰넌을 다른 사람의 모습으로 꾸미고 있었는데요.
Why are you doing this to me?
Oh, no, not to you. With you. Together, you and I are going to create something so beautiful.
Please, I just want to go home.
No. Get that thought out of your head. That thought will just torture you. I need you to be strong, like Eileen.
I don't know who that is.
Eileen Wuornos. The world didn't understand her, so they executed her, just as the world didn't understand Joan of Arc when they burned her at the stake.
그녀는 과거에 사형당한 끔찍한 연쇄살인마였는데
Eileen was just as inspiring. She killed 7 men. When they finally caught her, they offered her life in prison, but she refused to repent, so they executed her.
셰넌이 아일린을 닮았다는 이유만으로 끌고 와 그 모습으로 꾸미기 시작했죠.
And then you were gonna look terrific as a blonde.
그렇게 점점 연쇄살인마의 모습으로 변해가기 시작했는데요.
Of course, we need the roots to grow in to match Eileen's. In your face, it needs to be fuller. You can help with that by eating whatever I put in front of your face. What is it?
Jesus, is that a rash? What is that? What the fuck is this? Jesus, it's everywhere. What is this?
그러다 뜻밖의 연락을 받게 되는데
Hey, listen, Cross got that warrant on Price Street.
Good for him.
Hey, you got that motherfucker cleaned up good, right?
무슨 일인지 경찰들이 온다는 소식에도 태어나기만 했죠.
I don't need to do anything. In fact, I will leave the door open for them because getting to this house is not the same as getting to me.
Oh, thank you, God.
결국 그의 집으로 경찰 병력이 쳐들어오게 되고 셰넌이 발악하기 시작했는데요.
No one can hear you! No one can hear you!
You know what I love about the basements in this neighborhood? They're very old, built with vaulted brick, 3 layers thick, and I added concrete and 18 inches of soundproofing. But go ahead. Give it your best shot.
그의 장담대로 크로스는 별다른 이상을 찾지 못했습니다.
What's the matter, Samson? No blood, no tissue, no shit.
No drugs either, Shauna. Despite your thoroughly written affidavit.
I guess your boy Goodspeed shot them all up.
Hey, stop trying to put dirt on a dead man's name.
Cut it. All of you. We all want the same thing. Solve this case. You struck out. Now go home.
하는 수 없이 그는 아쉬운 대로 제리 쿠퍼라도 찾아갔는데
Ahmad?
Nah, I'm good. Do you stay here?
Starship passenger number 417.
I'm looking for somebody. His name's Jerry Cooper.
Yeah, I've seen him.
Is he here tonight?
Yeah, he was. Yeah, back there.
Back there.
Yeah, just all the way to the back.
그렇게 그녀가 말한 곳을 뒤지기 시작했는데요.
What happened? You alright?
순식간에 벌어진 일이었기에 그가 할 수 있는 건 아무것도 없었죠.
What the hell happened here? For real?
Somebody's been stalking Cross. Showing up at the house, following around, delivering those flowers, all that.
Jesus. Was that her?
I don't know. It all happened before he can get anything.
그리고 뒤늦게 동료에게 사건에 대한 내용을 전해 듣게 되는데
The woman's name was Brenda Leland. We found a note in her room.
Someone ordered her to kill me?
It gets weirder. The bullets from her gun were tampered with. Nothing but misfires.
So they set her up to be killed.
To be killed by you. Can you do that and stay on the Goodspeed case?
I have to. Amir's family needs answers as much as I do.
Good. And if you want answers about Brenda Leland, they found her car at the wharf.
그래서 곧바로 브렌다의 차를 찾아가게 되는데요.
Yo, you sure this is Brenda Leland's car?
We confirmed it, Detective. Nothing unusual in it, though. Except for this.
놀랍게도 그곳은 아내 마리아가 묻힌 공동묘지였습니다.
Is that a dress? That wasn't here yesterday. It's not Maria's, is it?
No, it's not Maria's. But I've seen it before.
또다시 단서가 끊기게 되며 우선 에미르의 사건에 집중하기로 하는데
Now, how does a place in that neighborhood go vacant for months? I mean, you could rent a park bench for $200 a night in Georgetown. Only excuse for that place being empty is if they were using it for something else, like a trap.
But why wouldn't the neighbors just call about it?
Amir went missing for 9 days. 9 days. Whoever killed him, they needed time to work on him, change him like they did. But if they kept him there the whole time, there would have been evidence of that. So, was Amir drugged there, killed somewhere else? No.
그러다 과거의 동료가 잡담처럼 했던 말을 떠올리게 되는데요.
Chris, didn't you say Price Street used to be a brothel? What was the name? Was it Blue something? I remember.
Blue Alleys.
That's it. That's it. Hey, look, we owe you.
블루 앨리는 그도 알고 있는 비밀이 있는 건물이었죠.
Blue Alleys had a secret exit for their clients and workers in case they got raided. I bet it's still there.
What does do?
Knock.
그렇게 다시 한번 집안을 뒤지기 시작했는데
Hit it.
마침내 에드가 숨겨둔 비밀 공간을 발견하게 되는데요.
You got anything you want to say?
I didn't. Save it.
그곳에서 발견할 수 있는 건 피해자가 아닌 범인에 대한 단서뿐이었습니다.
Oh, damn.
John, come check this out.
That's the DC sniper.
Yep. John Allen Muhammad, Ted Bundy, John Wayne Gacy. These are all serial killers on one side and victims who look like them on the other.
Oh, made Amir look like the Sandman.
Yep. There's only one killer without a match. Whoever he has now, we know what she looks like. Eileen Wuornos.
그리고 셰넌은 에드가 사람을 시켜 아슬아슬하게 미리 빼돌릴 수 있었는데
Voila.
And the book?
It's breathing down my neck. I ain't had no time.
So where is it?
Somewhere between that room and the street.
무슨 일인지 그에겐 그 책이 굉장히 중요해 보였죠.
None of it matters without the book. If you want your money, give me the book.
다음 날 크로스는 자신을 쫓는 스토커를 추적하던 도중 과거에 맡았던 한 사건에서 단서를 찾을 수 있었는데요.
You recognize that dress?
Oh, shit. So that's what this looked like when it was new. Who got their hands on this?
I don't know, but you want to hear some more crazy shit? Brenda Leland was a CO.
Yo, don't tell me she worked at the same prison they sent Deirdre to.
원피스의 주인인 디어들의 놀러는 크로스가 사이코패스라 증언하여 종신형을 선고받게 된 사람이었고 당시 교도관이었던 브렌다의 학대로 감옥에서 죽은 사람이었습니다.
Someone wants you to pay. But who?
I don't know. There's no relatives, no trace of anyone in the records I've been able to turn up.
Well, you did a psychiatric eval, right?
Yeah, but I can't get it. The law changed. It's privileged now. There's no one to sign a release.
I'm just gonna check on something.
논란이 단서라는 것을 알게 되자 어떻게든 정신감정 영상을 살펴보기로 했는데
Have you ever lost someone you love?
Yeah, I had a cat. She got hit by a car.
I bet you were sad about it.
I found a new cat. There's always another cat.
Cats are different than people. You lost your mother. How did it feel to lose a family member?
Blood doesn't make you family. What makes you family is how much people love you.
Your mother didn't love you?
She wasn't family. What makes you family is how much people love you.
그 잠깐의 대화에서 자신의 스토커가 어떤 사람인지를 짐작할 수 있었죠.
Someone out there loved Deirdre. Enough to set Brenda Leland up to die. Enough to kill Maria.
We think. If that's true, then they got the revenge. So why would they leave you alone?
I guess revenge didn't make the pain go away.
그리고 동료들에게 비밀 공간에서 발견한 책 내용을 브리핑하게 되는데
Amir Goodspeed was murdered by a serial killer, but that killer kept a scrapbook of their work. In here, you'll find a post-mortem photo of Amir and 10 other victims. Each of those victims was transformed to resemble a serial killer. Now, our killer turned Amir into Maurice Freeman Jr., better known as the Sandman. He raped and killed 14 women. He was executed in 2007 by lethal injection, same method used to kill Amir. Of the victims identified, the methods match, and we feel it's the same case for the rest of them. Now, Freeman's last meal was grilled pork chops, mashed potatoes, chocolate cupcake. Amir's stomach contents show he was fed the exact same meal before death. Our killer duplicates absolutely everything. This book will be the key to finding our killer.
That print, is it blood or ink?
Blood. Several of the pages contain mementos, human tissue, hair, blood, scraps of clothes. We've sent samples to the lab.
그 기괴한 특징 덕분에 범인에 대한 별명을 붙이게 되죠.
Calling him the fanboy. Seemed like a good name for this motherfucker.
The media gonna love this shit.
You guys can start with confirming IDs on the rest of the victims.
There's one more thing. The pages in this book are set up for 12 killers. Amir and the Sandman complete set number 11. It means the fanboy needs one more victim to complete whatever work he's doing, and we think he's already found her.
Her?
Eileen Warnos.
She's the only one in that book without a twin. Yet, we have evidence that our killer currently has a captive.
And that means we're on the clock.
That's right. Now, we don't have a name, but 3 things are certain. She resembles Eileen Warnos. He's going to make her an exact match, and he's going to kill her if we don't find her first.
브리핑이 끝나고 동료 중 한 명이 그를 찾아오게 되는데요.
You said this guy has someone, right? Well, this girl's missing. You make her a blonde? That's Eileen's sister,
What's her name?
Shannon Whitmer.
그래서 곧바로 셰넌의 가족을 찾아가 보게 됩니다.
So is this that visit?
We think she's alive. Can you tell us about the man she was meeting the day she disappeared?
What man? She was meeting someone?
Coworkers said she met someone on a dating app. He was helping her find a new job.
New job? No. She would have told me about that. We talk or text every day. That's why I was worried. She just suddenly stopped.
Can I see your cell phone, please? Thank you.
그 덕에 또 다른 정보를 알아낼 수 있었는데
Shannon's messages never made it to her phone. Everything passed in between them was being intercepted and responded to by the killer. But my best guess is a spyware called Rats. Seriously classified shit. You need more than money to get your hands on it.
He's in a position of power by day and by night. He controls everything about his victims before he kills them, and he savors that control.
Well, the bad news is that the dating apps are no help to us. Shannon and Amir were on different apps, and they were both very popular. Too popular.
They had hundreds of matches between both of them.
Hundreds?
A match isn't a hookup, old man.
Shannon and Amir didn't match or connect with any of the same profiles.
Josh Gladman, born in the Bronx, December 10th, lived in Colorado, loves reading Pulp Fiction. You know who else loved Pulp Fiction?
No.
Harvey Gladman, the Lonely Hearts Killer.
I never heard of him.
You got Joey Alcala, born in Texas, loves films and game shows.
매칭된 상대방의 프로필을 읽던 도중 무언가를 깨닫게 되는데요.
Wait, the dating game killer.
That's right, Rodney Alcala.
That's right. Guy went on a dating game and won. Bachelorette didn't want to go out on a date with him, though. Said he was too creepy.
팬보이가 어떤 식으로 피해자들에게 접근했는지를 알아낼 수 있었죠.
All right, listen. The fanboy is using the names of real serial killers.
Yeah, you two dig a little deeper, see if you can find the real people behind these.
That's gonna take some time.
그렇게 범인을 잡아내기 위해 더욱 조사에 집중하게 되는데
All right, this is everything we have on Amir. Thing on Shannon. These 2 are the other victims. A couple of blanks here and there.
그동안 조사한 내용을 바탕으로 팬보이가 어떤 인물인지 분석할 수 있었는데요.
He thinks he's an artist. He wants to leave behind a masterwork. He wants to be adored. It's the book. You know how some people think a photo can take a part of their soul? I think that's the book for him. A way to capture their power for himself. He won't kill forever. He has an ultimate moment he's been working towards for years. And he'll be complete, more transformed.
그러다 피해자를 반드시 구해야만 하는 또 다른 이유가 생겼음을 알게 됩니다.
We have to catch him before he finishes Shannon. If we don't find him before that book is done, we may never have another chance again.
그리고 얼마 지나지 않아 금세 희소식을 들을 수 있었는데
We found him.
What? You found who? The fanboy?
One of Shannon's friends tells me that she had some skin condition, dermatomite, however the fuck you say it. Key part is, if it doesn't get treated, it spreads. And from the way you talk about fanboy, that won't do it all, right? She needs to be perfect.
But you can't fix it with over-the-counter medication. You can't even get it at a regular pharmacy. It has to be custom mixed at a compounding pharmacy.
There's only 3 in the DMV, and only 1 filled a prescription for it 2 days ago.
Where?
Kugler's. Customer picked it up yesterday. Boom.
Please tell me you got a name.
Harry Powers. Couldn't get access to the customer file, but we worked that name till we narrowed it down to one motherfucker in the DMV.
그 말에 크로스는 무언가를 깨닫게 되죠.
Did you ever see Night of the Hunter? It's an old Robert Mitchum film. He plays a serial killer named...
Harry Powers? Are you shitting me?
Waste the fucking time!
No, it's not a fake person, but it's not like a catfish profile on a dating app. If you can get a prescription in that name, it's got to be tied to something we can track, a bank account, a driver's license. He may have even pinned it to a social security number. Fanboy fucked up.
그리고 팬보이의 추적이 끝날 때까지 책에 묻은 피해자의 DNA 조사를 하기로 했는데요.
Fingerprint on page 26 confirmed to be blood. Profile matches Amir Goodspeed.
Shit.
Tissue, page 4, believed to be brain matter. Profile matches Herb Baumeister.
First serial killer in Fanboy's book. Okay. What else?
There's blood or tissue from 5 of the original killers, including a fingerprint in Gacy's own blood.
So he doesn't just like them, he wants to be them. Where did he operate?
Central Indiana, at least 11 murders.
그가 처음으로 따라한 범죄자의 출신을 근거로 팬보이의 출신까지 짐작하게 됩니다.
Fanboys from Indiana. What's it to be, Lord? Not that you mind the killings, your book is full of killings. Your book is full of killings. He's not a fan. He worships them. And this is not a scrapbook. This is his Bible. It's a reliquary filled with pieces of his gods. And when we took this, we took a piece of him.
크로스의 짐작대로 에드는 그 책을 정말로 소중히 여겼고
Give.
부활을 시켜 책을 되찾도록 지시했었는데
Stop! Nobody move. It's over.
이 상황을 예상한 크로스가 현장을 덮치게 되죠.
Come on, Bobby. You did the job. You know how it goes down.
But you don't.
No! Go! I got it! God damn it, Chris. What did you do? Stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. Come on.
끈질긴 추적 끝에 간신히 따라잡을 수 있었는데요.
Hey! Don't do it! Enough! Hands up. Drop it. Let's go.
Precious cargo, bruh.
Precious to who? I know this ain't about you. Who you working for, Bobby?
If you knew Crossy Cross, you let me go right the fuck no.
Then tell me. Help me find Shannon. You can get yourself out of a whole lot of... Shit.
결국 보비를 놓쳐버리고 마는데
No trace of the body or the book. And the tracker's gone dead. And Bolo's out in case he's alive, but...
God damn it. A feeding frenzy of media over there, and I have to explain why we kept the lid on a serial killer who turns out was a cop.
Bobby Trey is an ex-cop.
You sure he's the fanboy?
Yes.
You think the Whitmer girl's still alive?
I don't know.
Finding her would be a beautiful silver lining.
Understood.
그 모습에 존이 의문을 드러내게 됩니다.
You don't want to tell that Bobby Trey's not the fanboy?
Not yet.
You think if he got the woo, he got to somebody else in MPD?
I think that we need to work this one alone for a minute. You, me, and Kayla.
그리고 다음 날 출근 도중 케일라로부터 깜짝 소식을 듣게 되는데요.
I found Harry Powers. Or the man using that name. That ID wasn't just used at the pharmacy. I also found it in the rat fuck of LLCs that own the brownstone that you searched. And it was on file at an auction last March. Someone using that name had the winning bid on a Ouija photograph. There's video.
마침내 팬보이의 정체를 알아차리게 되죠.
Ed Ramsey is the fanboy?
No, this only proves he's Harry Powers.
Oh, it's a perfect fit. He craves power. He loves control even more.
If DC is the swamp, that man is the biggest fucking gator. Do not go in there unless you are sure it is him.
I'm sure.
What now? Where are you going?
His birthday party.
그 시각 에드는 셰넌을 아일린처럼 꾸미기 위해 변태적인 집착을 보이고 있었는데
You know what I really love about this project? Each transformation has its own unique challenge. Now, with you, it's the teeth. Eileen was very self-conscious about her teeth. In fact, every photo you can find of her in her youth, she's got her lips clamped tight. Now, in 1986, she went to an orthodontist office and put down a deposit for braces. So the doctors do their exam and they make a mold of her teeth, which I picked up online for just $169.50. What a steal. You see the way that the front teeth are all crowded in? That's what Eileen wanted to fix, only the police arrested her just 2 days before the braces were supposed to go in. Poor thing died with crooked teeth. So we're gonna need to adjust yours. I'm gonna need you to open your mouth so I can make a mold of your teeth to ensure a perfect fit. It's not gonna hurt as much as the hammer.
당연하게도 그녀의 존엄성을 챙겨줄 생각 따윈 꿈에도 없었죠.
You wanna play a game? Keep going. Mm-hmm. Yep. Open. 1,000. 2 1,000. 3 1,000. 10. Perfect. All right. Who's ready to party?
그는 자신의 생일 파티를 위해 여러 사람을 초대했는데요.
Caitlin, Horace, how great to see you.
Happy birthday, Ed. As always, we appreciate the invitation.
Of course. Well, if a certain young House representative hadn't brought me on board her re-election campaign, then none of us would be where we are today.
그 중에는 엘도 있었는데.
Hey! No, it's a party. There she is.
Ed, happy birthday.
Thank you so much. I'm glad you're here. All right, this way. You see, this is Lawrence Buckley. I have been prepping him all week on the Somewhere Foundation. Are you ready for that big pitch?
Locked and loaded. And I brought backup. Oh. You remember Alex?
How could I forget? Metro PD's golden boy. I'm so honored you could make the time.
Honor's all mine. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Please, enjoy.
크로스는 파티에서 뜻밖의 인물을 발견하게 되죠.
Alex, I did not know that you and Ed were friends.
I'm L's plus one. He's a big supporter of the Somewhere Foundation. What about you? Rumors must be true, huh? About you running?
Well, this is not one of those stay in one place for 20-year cities. You're either going up or down. I like up better.
Hey, now there's the two we should be asking. All right, strictly cone of silence. Whatever you say never leaves this room. What's going on with the serial killer?
I don't play that game, Horace.
Can we just ask as concerned citizens? How many victims?
Multiple.
More than 5.
Do you have any suspects?
Not yet.
쏟아지는 질문 속에서 그는 이 상황을 이용해 보기로 하는데요.
But we do have a profile of the killer.
Do we want to hear this, or is it just going to make it scarier?
No. We want to hear every fucking detail. Thank you very much.
Keep in mind, this is just theory and conjecture.
But you've been doing this a long time, and you're the best.
Let's hear it.
일부러 애들을 압박해 빈틈을 유도해 보기로 합니다.
White male, 40s. Suave, confident. More Bundy than Dahmer. He knows how to use his looks and his charisma on men and women. Oh, he's wealthy, well-connected. But he didn't start that way. He grew up poor. It's a far cry from the fancy life that he lives now. I'd say Deep South, Midwest, maybe.
그 사이 존은 에드의 고향을 찾아가 그의 어렸을 적 친구를 만나게 되는데
Eddie could lay on the charm when he wanted to, but when he didn't think people were looking, he'd be watching you, taking pics with his camera he always had with him. It was creepy.
We're talking more than creepy, aren't we? Something specific?
When I was 14, we had this problem in town. Dead birds popping up all over. Gutters, churchyards, porches, all kinds of birds, but they all had one thing in common. Their feet had been cut off. Someone was torturing them.
You think it was Ramsey?
I know it was. I saw the feet. Laid out on the bed like baseball cards.
하지만 어렸을 때부터 기행을 보였다는 것 외에 별다른 정보를 얻을 수 없었는데요.
I'm probably not the person you should be talking to.
Who should I be talking to?
Ramsey wrote me letters after high school. I never answered. So I was talking about some guy in Philly named White Mike.
Philly? No one in Lowell.
Well, I would say his mother, but he hasn't visited her in years.
Hold up. You telling me that Ed Ramsey's mother is alive?
생각도 못한 이야기에 곧바로 친구에게도 들려주게 됩니다.
You know that dead mother he's been going on about? She's alive and kicking.
Now that's interesting.
Don't get your hopes up too high. Word is they haven't spoken for 25 years.
Of course they have. No, the dead mother's a linchpin in Ramsey's personal mythology. He couldn't just leave her behind. He had to symbolically murder her in his own mind so he could become the man he wanted to be, which suggests she still has power over him. You need to talk to her. Keep digging.
더 많은 정보를 알아내기 위해 크로스는 몰래 에드의 방을 둘러보기로 하는데 그러다 뜻밖의 물건을 발견하게 되죠.
Do you have a search warrant, Dr. Cross?
I did not need one to go to the bathroom.
Uh-huh. Well, you would have passed 3 on your way to this room.
Oh, well, it's easy to get lost in a house this big. But I am glad that I stumbled in here because it's quite the display.
I should have known you'd appreciate the art. Doing what you do for a living, rooting around in the minds of killers. I guess we're both connoisseurs of death. And excellent whiskey. Pappy Van Winkle. I heard it's your favorite.
수상하게도 그는 크로스에 대해 자세히 알고 있었는데요.
Where'd you hear that?
I cross paths with so many people. I actually can't remember where that particular tidbit came from. But it's true, isn't it? Let's have a taste, shall we? To life's rarest pleasures. Worth every penny, right?
It's quite a generous pour. Thank you.
Oh, it's my pleasure. But it's not free. I want to know more about this killer profile that you've come up with. What else can you tell me?
I've already said too much.
Come on, Alex. It's my birthday.
그 말에 다시 한번 애들을 도발해보기로 하는데
The man we're after is exceptionally brilliant, but his intellect masks a deep insecurity.
What makes you say that?
He worships other, more impressive serial killers. Desperately wants to be a part of their club.
Maybe he respects what they've accomplished, the way they've seared their legacy into America's collective psyche. But what do I know? You think you can stop him?
I know I can.
And why is that?
Because I know him better than he knows himself. He wants to be a legend, but all he's doing is making pale copies of the real ones. He even made a scrapbook, like a little groupie. We gave him a nickname, the Fanboy.
That's clever.
그 도발은 제대로 먹혀들었죠.
My house. My fucking house. Shit! Chateau Prévé, a $10,000 bottle of wine soaking into concrete. Perfect. You're missing all the fun.
그리고 크로스는 엘에게 돌아가 궁금했던 것을 묻게 되는데요.
Did you tell Ramsey that I like Pappy Van Winkle?
No. What?
Whoso stoppeth his ears at the cry of the poor, he also shall cry himself, but shall not be heard. That was my mother's favorite Bible verse. God rest her soul. Every Sunday dinner would begin with us reciting it. And when she was taken from us, I made a pledge to honor that sentiment for the rest of my life.
식사가 끝나고 에드의 연설이 시작됩니다.
See, the first time that I really dedicated myself to making a difference in this world was shortly after my mother was killed. Something like that really puts the world in perspective. I didn't always have this money, but I did have time, energy, and a lot of love. So I gave it all to a young boy named Isaiah. You see, Isaiah's father, Jason, was a drug dealer who abandoned his family, and shortly after that, his mother, Joanne, died. She was a drug addict, probably worked a corner or two. And so the burden of raising him fell to his grandmother, Regina. She was a strong, proud woman. She did the best she could, but Isaiah was so stubborn, self-destructive. You see, the image of his mother selling herself to strangers for drugs was something that left him angry at the world.
문제는 그 이야기가 온통 크로스의 어렸을 적 시절에 대한 이야기라는 것인데
Alex, what is going on? Why is he talking about you?
And it was hard for me to watch him struggle to prove that he was more than just the son of a drug dealer and a whore.
I do hope this story has a happy ending, Ed.
More of a to be continued. You see, I can't say that it hasn't always been difficult for Isaiah. Life just keeps throwing him curveballs. He met the love of his life, had 2 beautiful kids, and then, tragically, his wife was gunned down. So now he's struggling, threatening to revert to the self-destructive ways of his past. I honestly don't know if he'll make it, but I do know this. He wouldn't have a chance in this world if it weren't for me. And that is why I'll never give up on him, no matter how low he falls.
수상함을 알아차린 엘이 급하게 자리를 뜨게 되는데요.
What the hell is going on between you and Ed Ramsey?
I don't know.
Bullshit. He was poking at you in there. Do not lie to me right now.
Ramsey is the fanboy.
That can't be true.
If I wasn't sure before, I am now. Al, did you tell him any of those things about me?
No, I don't understand. Wait, if Ramsey's the fanboy, then how long have you known?
A few days ago.
That's why you changed your mind about coming to the party. I don't go, you don't go. That's why you lied.
사랑하는 사람에게 이용당했다는 생각에 실망감을 숨길 수 없었죠.
I did not lie.
You hid the truth from me. In my book, that's a lie.
Wait, no, wait, Al, hear me out. Hear me out. Just.
Don't.
Hey, tell me you got something.
Mama Ramsey's got dementia. Lights are on, but nobody's home.
Shit. I need a pressure point.
그러자 도움이 될 만한 정보를 말해주게 되는데
I want you to try something called paradoxical lucidity. It's flashes of clarity that people with dementia can have if you hit the right trigger. Now, I know it's a long shot, but if you shine the right light through that fog...
Well, you have any idea what this trigger might be?
Actually, yeah. I think Ramsey just told me.
존은 곧바로 실행해보기로 하는데요.
Whoso stoppeth his ears at the cry of the poor, he also shall cry himself, but shall not be heard. Whoso stoppeth his ears at the cry of the poor.
He also shall cry out, but shall not be heard.
놀랍게도 정말로 효과가 있었습니다.
My name is John. I'm with the police. I need to talk to you about your son, Eddie.
Let me not see the death of the child precious in the sight of the Lord.
It's the death of his saints.
She was a saint.
Eddie's sister.
Did he do something else bad?
그 사이 에드는 파티를 벗어나려는 엘을 붙잡았는데
What's wrong, Al? Everything okay?
Yes, great.
I can tell you've been crying. What's wrong?
I just wasn't feeling well. I was gonna head home early.
Well, you can't leave now. It's showtime.
You mean Buckley?
Come on.
그녀를 이끌고 자신의 인맥과 연결시켜주게 되는데요.
So, Ed's been hounding me about this little organization of yours for weeks, so off you go. Let's hear the big pitch.
It's your big moment, Al. Do or die.
의욕으로 가득했던 엘은 지금에 와선 그저 이 상황이 두렵기만 할 뿐이었죠.
Somewhere Foundation program hinges on a mentorship. The children we serve.
To speak up, sweetheart, I'm a little deaf in both ears.
We do give the kids a well-rounded perspective. It's not just about receiving, it's also about giving.
Right, and what's the administrative overhead?
That's in flux. We've been growing
I
at a
was
rate.
looking for a percentage, sweetheart, not a 5-paragraph essay.
The name is El Montero. My overhead is 22%.
Could be lower.
Compared to most nonprofits in the area, that's...
Have you ever attended a protest against law enforcement?
I don't see how that's relevant.
60% of my annual giving goes to back the blue funds. Trust me, it's relevant.
Yes, I've attended police protests. More than I can count.
That doesn't make her anti-police. Matter of fact, Larry, she's dating Detective Cross.
You and Cross are a thing?
무슨 일인지 그 말에 태도를 바꾸게 되는데
Does that matter?
Well, I don't know. How does $250,000 sound?
Al, what's going on here?
Mr. Buckley was just pledging $250,000 to the Somewhere Foundation.
You too, huh? You know, I might just make this an annual gift.
If you all would excuse me.
그녀는 자신이 처음부터 끝까지 농락당했다는 것을 알고 있었습니다.
Al, what happened back there?
You mean when I took a donation brokered by a serial killer?
Like he was just messing with you to get to me. It's the same thing with the speech.
I don't care about his motivation. I care about the man I love, putting me in that position.
Not a lover's quarrel, I hope. You want me to talk to her?
크로스는 에드의 계속되는 도발에 점차 인내심이 한계에 달하게 되는데요.
Actually, I think it's time I did something for you. Now, I know you said no birthday gifts, right? But since my friend went all the way to Indiana for this one, I do hope that you make an exception.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Eddie.
Why'd you lie about her being dead?
What should I do? Parade her around town? The poor woman has no grip on reality.
Really? My partner found her to be surprisingly lucid. Read her favorite Bible verse, the same one that you shared, and she just snapped right to. Shared all kinds of things.
일부러 그의 신경을 긁으며 조롱하기 시작했는데
Hey, I hope you know that it probably wasn't personal when she turned her back on you. It's called pathological bereavement. The parent loses one child, they cut emotional ties with the surviving child. It's a self-defense mechanism for the parent, but it is fucking devastating for the child left behind.
You want to bill my insurance for that diagnosis?
The way she acted, you might as well have died with your sister. But no, you still craved mommy's approval, and then when you didn't get it, you started striving for her attention, started doing things that she just could not ignore, like the birds.
You don't know what you're talking about.
And when that didn't work, when you finally had to realize that she would never love you again, you had to make her dead. You had to murder her in your mind so you wouldn't have to live with the idea that your own mother was alive and she didn't give a shit about you.
하지만 에드도 쉽게 당해주지는 않았죠.
Close, but not really. I never told my mother about the birds. I did, however, tell her that I would do anything to be an only child. We all have secrets, Alex. The difference is, I'm ready to bring mine into the light.
Happy birthday, Ed.
그리고 다시 와인을 챙기기 위해 지하실로 내려갔는데요. 셰넌은 마침내 자유의 순간을 코앞에 두게 되는데
Help me! Help me! Help me! Please! Please! Help me! No! No! No!
There's nowhere to go, Shannon.
I have to be perfect, right? Just like Eileen?
도망칠 수 없다는 것을 알게 되자 자신이 할 수 있는 최선의 발악을 하기로 합니다.
No! Don't say anything. Don't remember anything.
그녀는 공포에 질린 채로 필사적으로 이성을 유지하려 애썼는데요.
Gin and tonic. No, just gin.
Are you okay? You look like you've seen a ghost.
Now, I of course baked this cake myself, so everybody has to try some. Thank you so much.
크로스는 그가 예상치 못한 일을 겪었음을 한눈에 알아차렸죠.
I see you showered. And you put on a fresh shirt. Those are some nice buttons there. Should I add OCD to your profile?
I'm surprised you're still here.
Something happened when you went to get the wine. Jesus. Are you seriously arrogant enough to be holding her here?
I have no idea what you're talking about, but I am glad that you stayed because I wasn't sure I'd get to watch it happen.
What's that?
The moment you turn into a pumpkin. Are you good? You might want to check that. Pumpkin time.
What did you do?
I don't know what you're talking about.
This is you, isn't it? This is the incident that Samson reported.
동영상은 그가 아내를 죽인 범인을 쫓다가 이성을 잃었을 때의 장면이 담겨 있었는데
Let me split.
L.
한순간에 궁지에 몰리게 되자 모든 것을 폭로하기 시작했죠.
He did this.
Who?
Ramsey.
What? Why?
Because he's the killer. Hear me out. Ed Ramsey is the fanboy killer.
Okay, it's time to go.
Okay, detective. We'd all love to believe you. We really would.
You remember I told you we had a profile?
Yeah?
Humble childhood, Ted Bundy charm. It all describes him, Ed Ramsey. Just a minute ago, he all but admitted to killing his own sister.
My sister died of carbon monoxide poisoning.
This man is kidnapping people, mutilating them, executing them. It's a fucking monster.
당연히 폭력 경찰의 말을 들어줄 사람은 아무도 없었는데요.
The only monster that I see in this room is you.
Okay, yes, this is bad. It's fucking horrible. But don't let that cloud your judgment This video just happens to drop right after he finds out he's my lead suspect.
Alex.
No, okay. No, hold it. Wait. Y'all like videos? Videos. I got a video for you right here. Didn't he say his mother was dead? She was murdered right after college. Then what is this? This is his mother, recorded tonight at her home in Indiana. The whole dead mother thing is a lie. It's a lie. Everything about this man is a lie.
You need to leave.
You don't believe me, Chief?
Now is not the time or the place. Go home and call your union rep.
이렇게 된 이상 어떻게든 피해자만이라도 구해야 한다는 생각이었는데
Shannon Whitmer's alive. She's probably here in this house right now.
하지만 그가 알 수 있는 건 아무것도 없었습니다. 결국 완전히 폭력 경찰로 낙인 찍혀 자격까지 정지당하고 마는데요.
Badge and gun.
I'm right about Ramsey.
It's not why we're here.
It should be.
But it's not.
Okay, yes. I made a mistake. All right, you can't let that get in the way of saving Shannon Whitmer's life.
Do you want to tell him or should I?
What?
We searched Ramsey's house.
He invited us in because of your accusations.
There was no sign of Shannon, no sign of anything.
When?
This morning.
So he had all yesterday to move her?
Tell him to stop talking.
No, listen. Shannon is Ramsey's last victim. His last. The man wants to go out with a bang, not a wimp. He's a perfectionist. He's obsessed with winning. He wants everybody to know it was him.
You're talking about the fanboy or you?
계속되는 무조건적인 불신에 그도 선을 넘어버리게 되는데
If you was a real cop, you'd have listened to me at that party. This case would be closed.
Okay, let's You want me to be the villain? Fine. Blame me all you want. But if you don't lay your gun and badge on that table and walk out of here without saying another fucking word, I promise you, I'll make all your worst nightmares come true.
I'm right about Ramsey.
에드의 전략에 말려 한순간에 몰락해버린 이 상황이 분하기 짝이 없었죠.
They're taking the heat off of Ramsey. You hear that?
Not me. Look, I'm gonna work this till we get him.
She'll be dead by then.
Thanks for the vote of confidence.
I should be closing this out, not packing up my fucking locker. You see how this all snowballed?
Yo, I don't know what you're getting at right now, but it sounds like the wrong shit to be thinking.
Oh, so... Yeah, I'm gonna have plenty of time for therapy now, right, John?
How do you fix it in your mind to blame this shit on me?
You started all this when you reported me.
Wow. Are you so far up your own ass that you can't even entertain the possibility that you fucked up?
You pushed the first domino.
No, sugar! This shit happened when you beat that man.
Right, fuck you!
Fuck you!
Hey! I was trying to find Maria's killer!
Listen, man, I get it. I loved her too. I miss her too.
She was my wife, the mother of my kids. You don't know what that feels like. You never will.
You know what I mean. You ain't the only person in this family to lose someone. You just the only person that ain't dealt with it.
결국 완전히 이성을 잃고 해서는 안 될 말까지 하게 되는데요.
Family. What you think cause my kids call you Uncle John and make you family? No. Think cause Nana Mama taught you how to tie your fucking shoes and make you family? No. You're not blood. You're not bone. You're just my friend. Or you were. Now you're just somebody I used to work with.
Be careful when you take this. I shit you not.
Nigga, I ain't afraid of you.
Good motherfucker, cause I ain't fucking running.
Bring it. What's up? Move!
Hey!
We talking here?
Yes, I heard. We all heard. Now I just want y'all to just back up. There we go. Come on. Thank you. You too, Samson. Thank you. I'm gonna stand right here till one of y'all leaves. Who's it gonna be?
I'm the one who don't work here no more, right?
그 와중에 아들의 폭력 문제로 학교에 불려가기까지 했습니다.
The other kid claims Damon just started swinging on him. He has a nasty black eye to prove it. But Damon here refuses to tell us his side of the story. I know your family's been through a lot. Children are often affected by. That's why I've been cutting them slack lately. But we have a zero tolerance policy for this type of behavior. You understand?
Yes, of course.
That means Damon's suspended for a week. He's free to go home now.
그렇게 아들과 함께 집으로 돌아오게 되는데
There is no problem you can't solve with your words. Not unless what? Self-defense. That boy put hands on you? Did he?
No.
Get in the house. Finish with you later.
If there's anything left.
That's an interesting choice on your car there.
Haha, you got jokes. What's up?
John asked me to look into this guy, White Mike, that might be connected to Ramsey.
Right, it's a guy you heard about from Philly. You find him?
White Mike's punk band in 98 back in Philly.
동영상은 에드와 편지를 주고받은 마이클이란 사람의 과거에 대한 내용이었는데요. 그 엽기적인 행각에 어처구니가 없을 지경이었습니다.
Yo, seriously, this is disturbing.
If you call pretending to ritually sacrifice an audience member disturbing, then yeah. They did have some diehard fans, though. If you notice, right here, front row, this guy.
Ramsey? Holy shit. And you know where this white Mike is now?
Yes, he's still in Philly, only now he's Michael Grisham, actuary. It's all on the flash drive.
그는 곧바로 마이클을 만나러 갈 준비를 했는데
You know, you need to hit reset with that boy, Alex.
I will. As soon as I get back from Philly.
What's in Philly?
I got a break in the Ramsey case.
I thought you were on vacation.
I'll be back tomorrow.
Your son is in crisis.
I should go.
No. No one needs to go anywhere. Especially you, Alex.
And Damon is tough enough to wait a day.
하지만 그녀는 이 상황을 가만히 지켜보기만 할 생각이 없었는데요.
What are you doing?
He's going with you. Come on.
Man, he can't come.
You said this trip can't wait, right?
That's right.
Neither can he.
하는 수 없이 아들과 함께 긴 여정을 함께하게 됩니다.
I'm hungry.
I will find you some when we get to Philly.
How long is that gonna take?
Stop asking questions.
I didn't even want to come.
Excuse me? I didn't even want to bring you. Next time you get in a fight, you think about this.
Wouldn't have even been in a fight if it weren't for you.
What'd you say? How's that on me? I made your hand into a fist, put it in that boy's face. I did that? That was me? Was that me?
그러자 데이먼이 처음으로 자신의 사정을 말해주게 되는데
The one where you beat that man up. That boy was saying all kinds of bad things about you, right in front of Janie. And a bunch of other kids, too. I told him to stop, but he wouldn't. So, I hit him.
설명을 듣고 나니 더 이상 아들에게 화를 낼 수가 없었는데요.
Dad, can I ask you a question and I won't tell anybody?
What's up?
Why did you beat up that man?
I was wrong for that, D.
But you had to have a good reason, right? Like he was a terrorist or something?
I thought it was a bad man, but he wasn't. It's just wrong place, wrong time. I was the bad man that night.
Was it about Mom?
You know, that part doesn't matter. It's just-
Why can't we talk about
you
it?
just need to know it was wrong, okay? Just finish your burger.
I was just trying
Just
to...
leave it, D. Damn.
결국 또다시 둘의 사이가 어색해지게 됩니다. 그리고 다음 날 본래 목적대로 마이클을 만나게 되는데
I had a band. We played at bars and colleges. Eddie came to all our shows.
I've seen videos of your performances. It's very dark stuff. Ramsey, he was a fan?
Eddie didn't give a shit about the music. He loved what I sang about. Death. Murder. All that bullshit that I thought was so cool back then. I'm a different guy now.
And we spoke to a childhood friend of Ramsey's. Said he made him dig up a knife. Sent it to a guy in Philadelphia. To you, Michael.
그저 컨셉이었던 자신과 달리 진짜 광기를 보여준 에드에게 두려움을 느끼고 있었죠.
I sent that thing back so fast.
Why?
I used it to kill a guy. Rodney McKay.
You were there. Were you part of it?
Fuck no.
Then why have you been sitting on it this whole time?
그러자 그동안 누구에게도 보여준 적 없는 비디오를 보여주게 되는데요.
Rod, you ready? I am so fucking ready. Here he is. What the fuck are you doing here, dude? Your clothes, man.
Eddie said I had to be ready when you got here. I'm ready, man.
For what? The sacrifice. Today's a special day, Mike. It's a perfect day for Rodney to die.
Fuck yeah!
I want you to know you're not seeing everything.
Like Ramsey's face.
Because you're not supposed to. It's just me and Rodney. I tried to stop him, I swear. I didn't think he was serious until it was too late.
Why don't you tell me how it actually went down?
I was wasted. Rodney too. I'd never even met him before.
아직 에드의 진짜 모습을 몰랐던 마이클은 이것이 그저 놀이라고만 생각했는데
All right. Let's do it. Good. Where's the knife? I don't know. Mike. Hold it next to him. Let me get some pics. Yeah. All right, close to his neck. That. Oh, that's perfect.
Ow! What the fuck?
That's a real knife, asshole!
Sorry, dude. Don't be sorry. This is what you want, Mike. Finish it.
그제야 무언가 이상하다는 것을 알게 됩니다.
What? No! Fine. Let me just get the shot of you holding it up over his heart, okay?
Fuck that! Let me up!
Listen, you're already cut, dude. Relax. It's one more picture, Mike. It's gnarly. Come on. No. Let's get this perfect. All right. Okay.
그런데
You fucking killed. No, we killed him.
결국 자신도 공범처럼 몰릴까 지금까지 진실을 묻어두고 있던 것인데요.
I know you didn't kill him, but you also didn't say anything. I wanted to. Did it ever occur to you that he might not stop? He has someone now. We can stop him. We can save him. But we're gonna need your help.
그는 케일라의 도움으로 마이크를 경찰서까지 안전하게 옮기기로 합니다.
That tape is in bad shape. John needs to get it digitized immediately.
It's a long list of things you want me to remember. I think it'd be better if you just told him yourself.
I don't think he really wants to hear from me right now.
Okay. Ready?
그렇게 마이클은 증언하게 될 순간을 기다리며 경찰만이 아는 안전가옥에 숨어 있었는데요.
We should get one of those donuts. Probably don't want to do this on an empty stomach.
My stomach's kind of in knots.
Well, it can't be worse than what I have going on right now.
He's kicking.
And punching and doing flips and Lord knows what.
You pick a name?
Chance. Oh, feel this.
Hey, Chance. What's up, buddy? You getting claustrophobic in there?
그런데
You need to give your mom a break.
뒤늦게 상황을 들은 크로스까지 현장을 찾아오게 되죠.
Alex, stop! Witness wasn't answering his phone. Massey called for a welfare check. Patrol came out, found the victim dead. GSW to the head. Listen, detective, you can't be here.
It's a fucking safe house.
I know. You have to be a ghost to get in and out without being seen.
Gin and tonic. No, just gin.
Are you okay? You look like you've seen a ghost. A ghost. Yeah.
증인마저 사라진 이상 새로운 단서를 얻을 수 있는 길은 딱 한 곳뿐이었는데요.
Hey! Get out! You want to talk to me. It's about Ramsey.
I'm fine. Everybody's fine. Give us a minute. I'm going to assume that whatever brings you here is awfully damn important.
I found a witness that could put Ed Ramsey away for murder.
Really? Who?
Doesn't matter. He's dead. Somebody got into a police safe house and put a bullet in his head.
Why are you here?
I started thinking about what kind of pull Ramsey would need to get to that witness. Started thinking about his friends. I was wondering about what shook you up so badly at Ramsey's party, like you'd seen a ghost.
I'm not sure what you mean. I did eat something.
No games, no, not today. I know Ramsey owned you, and I swear, Madam Speaker, I will expose you.
Get out. Now.
두려움에만 사로잡혀 있던 그녀가 마음을 돌리게 됩니다.
Are you asking because you think you can catch Ramsey?
Yes, and save Shannon.
What about me?
Look, tell me something I can use to save Shannon. I swear I will never mention your name.
I see her every night, running from him. I wanted to believe it was something else, anything. And then I saw the blood.
The blood?
There was this moment. She realized she couldn't get away. She sliced her face open.
한편 에드는 여전히 셰넌을 아일린으로 꾸미기 위해 별의별 짓을 하고 있었는데
Oh my god. You look beautiful. You really need to see this.
Fuck you!
Oh my god, with the teeth? That is so Eileen. Do it again.
I fucking hate you!
Yes! Yes! That's perfect!
그리고 자신을 돕는 성형외과 의사까지 불러내 얼굴의 상처를 씻은 듯이 없애게 됩니다.
So you see, in the right hands, with the right lighting, anything's possible.
이제 남은 건 그녀의 눈동자 색뿐이었는데요.
Go fuck yourself.
I could do that, or I could let you make a phone call to your parents to say goodbye. Would you like that? Happy birthday, Eileen.
I want my phone call.
하지만 처음부터 전화를 해줄 마음 따위는 없었는데
I always thought spitting image was a strange phrase, and then I learned it was originally spirit and image, as if the likeness also captures the essence of someone. That makes sense to me now. You may be the best work I've ever done, Eileen.
Eat shit.
I was thinking coffee. Here. This was Eileen's last meal, a cup of coffee, so it's very important to me that you drink it. I've gotten people to eat 7-course meals, so I will get you to drink this coffee. The question is the easy way or the hard way.
There's your spitting image.
You know, any other day, that would really piss me off. But not today.
이제 마지막 단계에 가까워진 예술의 완성에 기뻐하기만 할 뿐이었죠.
It's beautiful, isn't it? Time to celebrate.
그 시각, 존은 믿을 수 있는 사람이라는 이유로 몇몇 동료들과 크로스를 불렀는데요.
We're back to square one with Ramsey. The only way we're gonna find him is to find out where he's hiding Shannon. The way these makeovers go, he's gotta be getting close.
He was, but he had a setback. Shannon cut her face at the party. I spoke to someone who saw it happen.
Well, you wanna say who, motherfucker? Or you just gonna sit on that information?
Okay, ladies, you're both very smart and pretty. Can we move on? Clock's ticking.
The point is, Ramsey won't kill her with a gash on her face. She won't match Eileen.
She bought herself some time.
That's some serious gangster shit.
You bought us some time, too. Vega, Delacner, I need you to tell Ramsey, all right? And don't let him shake you.
Well, we gotta find him first.
I can help with that.
All right.
Shall we?
Do your thing.
What you gonna do?
Well, you had to be right about another mole in the apartment. That can't stand, so never thought it'd be Anderson. Guess it adds up.
그 말에 크로스는 뜻밖의 이야기를 하게 됩니다.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
No? She's been solving this investigation from the jump. Well, we know she's friends with Ramsey. She knows the location of the safe house, patrol intervals. Only problem is when it comes to the logs last night, I checked them. And she was on.
Because it wasn't her.
If you don't spill what's in your head right now.
You remember what Coach Keller said about taking hits when we started boxing? It's the ones you don't see coming that really hurt. Pretty sure whoever's working with him is the one who leaked that video of me too, John. There's only 2 people that could have been. And I know it wasn't you.
그리고 집으로 돌아와 계속해서 에드에 대한 걸 조사하기 시작했는데
Your girl's taking you to a serial killer's birthday party?
Oh, come on, Alex. It's my birthday.
You know, this is really a milestone birthday for me.
Shit.
절대로 놓쳐서는 안 될 중요한 사실을 깨닫게 되는데요.
Today. He's gonna kill her today.
You know this how?
Mm-hmm. And all the victims, they disappeared just before the birthdays of the killers that they were matched with.
Oh,
So-
shit.
What?
It's Eileen's birthday today, February 29th. Leap year. If he doesn't kill her today, he's got to wait 4 more years.
That's why he's taking risks he never took before.
Hold on now. He needs her to be perfect. And you said that she cut her face. How's that gonna work?
I know it doesn't make any sense.
He does. Mrs. Ramsey we're talking about. He uses other people to fix his problems, so he would find someone to fix her.
It's gonna take more than makeup.
Right. He would need a plastic surgeon.
에드의 생일 파티에 참석한 성형외과 의사가 딱 한 명 있었다는 사실을 떠올릴 수 있었죠.
Dr. Dane,
Detective Cross, what can I do to help you?
you can tell me why you're helping Ed Ramsey torture Shannon Whitmer.
I'm not.
Cut the shit.
I didn't want to help him. I swear to you. He was just another client, and
You had a choice. You could have called the cops, but you didn't.
no. But I did everything I could to help her. I cleaned her wound. I left her healthy. Oh, tell me that counts for something.
What does he have on you?
No, I can't. If it got out, oh God, I couldn't face my mother. I would have to move. I would lose my practice.
You mutilated a kidnapped woman just so you don't have to do a change of a dress?
I'm so sorry.
이제 남은 건 그녀에게 정보를 얻어내 애들을 잡는 일뿐이었는데요.
Whatever he knows, I can make it go away if you help me find him.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
그런데
Ed Ramsey isn't blackmailing me. He inspires me. He's an artist, a visionary.
놀랍게도 대인 역시 에드와 똑같은 사이코패스였습니다.
If it were up to me, you would be dead right now. But he wants you to witness his exhibition. Eventually. Night-night.
그 시각 존은 크로스가 알려준 배신자를 찾아갔는데요.
I think I know where he's hiding Shannon.
Are
Are you serious? Who else knows?
Just me.
Good. Keep it that way until you're sure. Where do you think she is?
Before I get into that, I just need to know how this works. Do you call him? Text. You wait for me to leave. Wait, no, you probably, you probably do it right in front of me.
You must be wondering what he's got on me. Because it's the secrets, right? We all have things we're ashamed of. And people like you and me, we have more than most. It's all strings for him to pull so he can make people dance. But the real trick is finding something that makes them want to dance.
에드는 약점이 아니라 가장 바라는 것을 믿기로 그녀를 조종한 것이었죠.
And we are sitting in a clinic with the world's foremost fertility specialist and a translator. And the doctor says one thing in English. I can promise you a baby.
And for that, you kill a man.
It started with the little things. Wrong, but easy to think it was worth it. And by the time he asks you to do something that crosses the line that you thought you had, you realize you are already way past it.
Yeah. The only way to cover up something bad is to do something worse, right?
I don't have to go away for this, John. My son needs me,
Stop,
and I
stop.
pay for my crimes every time I
you
close
did not
my
pay.
eyes.
You didn't pay. Amir Goodspeed paid. Mother Goodspeed is still paying. Shannon Whitmer paid. Me, Cross, we paid. You didn't pay shit. All the way to that bullshit about me being your kid's godfather.
That was real. I wasn't playing you.
How do you expect me to believe anything you say right now?
I asked you to be there for Alicia and the baby because I knew I wouldn't. I asked, and you said yes. And you keep your promises. Please.
You're right. I do.
결국 그녀는 비참한 결과를 맞이하게 됩니다.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, one will be provided to you. Do you understand the rights that I've read to you?
그리고 이 소식에 모두가 충격에 빠지게 되는데요.
Massey was in it with that asshole.
Must be why she wouldn't give me surveillance on that doctor.
Hold up. What doctor?
Dane, Cross wanted eyes on her.
Massey knew about Dane.
Yeah.
Where's Cross now?
I don't know.
그 이야기에 곧바로 크로스를 찾아 나서게 되는데
Sugar! What happened? She drugged. Oh, no, hold on. I'm calling you an ambulance, man.
No, there's no time. I grabbed her on her way. I stuck my phone in her purse.
Is that it?
그렇게 동료들과 함께 추적에 나서게 됩니다.
Just turn on the Potomac, headed southwest.
Could be headed to the harbor.
No, she's headed to Buzzard Point.
Just give me the word. I can get air support.
No. I don't know who we can trust, and I ain't taking any chances. Let's catch up.
그 시각 에드는 끔찍한 가면을 쓴 채 아일린의 사형식을 준비하고 있었는데요.
28 years ago, Herb Baumeister, the Westfield Strangler, woke me up, made me feel something, exposed to me the secret. And when they found the bones on his farm, people asked, how could God let this happen? And I said, what God?
그는 끔찍한 범죄를 보고 죽음이야말로 누구도 풀지 못한 경이로운 수수께끼이자 위대한 예술이라 여기게 되었는데
That what he was doing wasn't just powerful, it was art. And in that moment, I knew that I too could be an artist.
이러한 범죄를 이어가는 것이야말로 종교적 신앙을 뛰어넘는 위대한 행위라고 생각하고 있었죠.
I could create a masterpiece to remind people that there are gods who understand this last mystery, and in doing so, become one of those gods myself. Today, my masterpiece is complete.
Don't do it! Get your hands up! You too, crazy ass bitch. Step away from her. Don't move! I'll take care of Shannon. You go find that motherfucker.
Hands up!
Don't you move! Fucking move!
He's alive!
다행히 늦지 않게 셰넌을 살릴 수는 있었지만 끝내 에드는 놓쳐버리고 말았는데요.
Shit! How is she? She's got a pulse. Steady.
Good. That motherfucker got away. Could be anywhere.
No. Not anywhere.
이미 그에 대한 분석을 마친 크로스는 에드가 어디로 갔을지 예상할 수 있었는데
Get your hands up right now.
You really see me, Alex.
Hands!
You know, there's so much truth in this room.
Ramsey, drop it!
And that's why this is where it has to happen.
No.
Shit.
No.
Shit.
Hey, come on. Hey, he's gone.
그렇게 그들이 그토록 쫓던 범죄자는 허무한 최후를 맞이하게 됩니다. 결국 사건을 해결하고도 찝찝함만이 남게 되었는데요.
The killer's dead, the victim's safe, and Santa got it right this time.
Did that feel like justice to you?
We got plenty of justice. Now you all out of that other thing you was after.
And you gonna tell me what that is?
Distraction. Without this case, you might actually have to work on yourself. Boy, I tell you.
What's this?
That name you gave us, Peter Lennox. It's everything we have on him, including his last known address.
피터는 놀런의 사건을 조사하며 알게 된 그녀의 공범이었는데 그곳에서 충격적인 광경을 목격하게 되죠.
Hey, hold on. Who sent the flowers?
I don't know. I just delivered.
놀랍게도 그는 놀런의 애인이기도 했는데요.
Peter, I can't stop thinking about our last visit. I wish you wouldn't worry about me so much. This isn't your fault.
Dee, tell me who did that to you.
But you can't do anything. She'll kill me. She runs the guards in here.
I'll get to her somehow.
Mine's already up.
그녀를 체포한 크리스에게 깊은 증오심을 품게 된 사람이기도 했습니다.
I'm gonna get you out. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get you out. And then I'm gonna make Cross pay.
그날 밤 크리스의 할머니는 홀로 집으로 돌아왔는데
Alex?
피터가 복수를 위해 본격적으로 움직이기 시작한 것인데요.
Got you, man. It's gonna be okay, man. It's gonna be okay. Got you. I'm gonna get him. We're gonna fucking do this. Yeah, I'm right here. Right here.
Whoa, only staff past these doors.
그 사실을 알아차린 크로스는 가족에 대한 걱정이 깊어질 수밖에 없었죠.
Peter did this. The man who's been stalking me. Now I got backup coming, but David and Jen, they can't go back to that house. I gotta get them somewhere safe. I need to be out looking for him.
They can come home with me.
I appreciate that, Elle, but I don't know where it's safe. This man knows everything about me.
Listen, I don't mean to intrude, but my family has a cabin out on Goose Creek, and if you all need somewhere safe to stay, I could take you up there. It's nothing fancy, but it is out of the way. And it's the last place that anyone would think of looking for y'all.
다행히 그녀의 호의로 가족의 안전은 해결할 수 있었습니다.
Before you go, something I want to show you.
Is that him? The man who's been doing all this to us?
You see this man? I want you to run, okay? And get help.
I thought he'd have a scar on his face. Or an eye patch or something.
Hey, everything's gonna be okay. All right? I promise. I promise.
그리고 과거 피터의 사건을 담당했던 경찰을 찾아가게 되는데요.
Thank you for seeing me on such short notice. What do you have? Do you have anything for me?
I haven't had valid contact info for him in 9 years, so.
Yeah, that figures. What about family? I'll take anything. This is urgent.
I remember Peter had a street mom, lady who'd come in with him sometimes, help him with the paperwork.
Not a relative.
Peter called her his fairy godmother. Sweet lady. And there was someone else too. It's like Dee Dee, something like that.
Deirdre,
Deirdre, yeah. She's in jail though.
street mom.
Mm-hmm.
How can I find her?
I couldn't tell you that. She never applied for benefits herself, so she's not in the system. Not even a name. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, but just thank you.
별다른 소득이 없자 답답함에 가족과 통화하며 시간을 보내게 됩니다.
Daddy, the cabin is so cool. There's a fireplace and bunk beds. And it's okay if me and Damon both want the top bunk because Elle said we could take turns.
Yeah?
And Auntie Nancy gave us chores and said to pay us.
Oh, it's Auntie now, huh?
Yeah, it was Damon's idea. But Miss Nancy said she would like it if we called her that. She says what makes you family isn't blood. It's how much you love each other. So people like her and Uncle John are family too, right?
That's right, kiddo. You don't have to be blood to be family.
Blood doesn't make you family. Blood doesn't make you family. Blood doesn't make you family.
그 말은 분명 피터의 연인이었던 놀런이 했던 말인데
The woman who helped Peter with his housing application. Would you remember her face if you saw it again?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm sending you a link.
Yeah, that's her. She's aged a little bit, but that is definitely Peter Lennox's street mom. This is crazy.
충격적이게도 낸시가 바로 피터의 어머니였던 것이죠. 그리고 이 사실을 알아차린 이는 또 있었는데요.
What you doing? All right, come on up. Wash your hands. It's almost time for dinner.
믿었던 사람에 대한 비밀에 쉽게 충격에서 빠져나올 수 없었죠.
Damon, baby, you okay? You kids are under a lot of stress. I hope this ends soon.
Knowing Alex, I'm sure it will. And in the meantime, there's nothing to worry about. We're all alone out here. Excuse me. Hello?
Hey, Miss Nancy, I'm sorry to bother you again, but can I talk to Elle for a sec?
Elle is just bundling up the kids because we're gonna go out back to make s'mores. Let me give her a message.
No, you know what? It'll only take a minute, but I really need to talk to Elle. It's kind of important.
Oh, something wrong?
No, no, it's Janny. She has a little condition, and I just realized I forgot to send up the medicine. So, but now there's a way to manage it without the medicine, and I need to walk Elle through the regimen.
초조하게 구는 모습에 낸시는 수상함을 감지하게 되는데
All that time that I spent at the house, I never saw Janny take any medicine.
It is a thing. So, can I please talk to Elle?
Is it a thing, Alex? Do you know who I am? Do you know what this is?
Do not hurt my children. Do you hear me?
I love that I'm in charge, Tony got. But I don't think that's your reality right now, is it?
Look, if you touch one hair on their heads,
Jenny, honey, come here for a minute. Hey, you know what? I just remembered there's a special place that I wanted to show you. It was my little girl's favorite. I think you're really gonna like it too.
What is it?
No, it's a surprise.
그녀가 전화에 집중하는 사이에 데이먼도 술을 쓰게 되는데요.
Oh my God, she's his mother. What are we gonna do? Should we tell her?
No. And I can't have you acting any different, Damon. I need you to do something for me. Can you get Miss Nancy's keys? I will handle everything else.
그리고 낸시는 크로스를 협박하게 됩니다.
I want you to come here. You will be unarmed. You will bring no one. You will tell no one. I'm going to put a clock on you. Let's say 4 hours. And I hope that your shiny new Mustang can get you here in time. Drive safe now.
완전히 궁지에 몰리게 된 그는 유일하게 의지할 수 있는 친구를 찾아가게 되는데
Look here, motherfucker. You? You were right. You were right the whole time. I've been out of line lately. No, not just lately. I took our friendship, our brotherhood for granted. Now, John, I'm not even here for the right reasons. I should have come here, looked you in your eye like a man and said, I'm sorry, and I love you, brother. But I couldn't swallow my pride, and now my family, our family is in danger.
Sugar, stop. You had me a motherfucker.
존은 기꺼이 크로스와 함께하기로 합니다.
We're about a mile out. How long do you need?
Once you get there, just give me 10 minutes. And duck. See you on the other side.
그 시각 엘은 낸시가 잠드는 사이에 모두를 데리고 빠져나가려 했는데요.
Jenny, baby.
Stop it.
It's time to go, baby. Come on. Come on.
I don't sleep.
Get out of my way.
그때 결국 그녀의 탈출 시도는 실패로 돌아가게 됩니다. 그리고 뒤늦게 크로스가 도착하게 되는데
Put him on.
그는 어떻게든 아이들만큼은 무사히 돌려보내고 싶었는데요.
Then why are they here? Damon and Janny didn't do anything.
Deirdre didn't do anything. But you said she was crazy. You said she couldn't be fixed.
By the time I met her, she was broken. But I should never have said that she couldn't be fixed. I'm sorry. I am, Miss Nancy.
Wouldn't that be nice if sorry was all I wanted?
Was there something else? Just go ahead. Tell me what it is.
Why you keep looking at your watch? You got somewhere to be?
He brought backup.
Oh.
Just like you said he would. Your buddy's dead, Cross. Bleeding out on the forest floor like a stag.
No.
친구가 죽었다는 말에 이성을 잃어버리게 됩니다.
I wanted to do this for so fucking long.
Peter, stop. That's not a plan anymore. Give me that. Take this.
낸시는 단순히 크로스를 죽이는 것으로 복수를 끝낼 생각이 없었는데
Bring the kids. The good news is we only gonna take one, and you get to choose.
No, Nancy, I can't answer that. Just, you want revenge? Kill me. Kill me.
I need you to feel that. So pick one. I'll have Peter shoot that one.
그 끔찍한 계획에 피터조차 당황할 정도였죠.
The kids haven't done anything.
He has to choose.
Why?
절체절명의 순간에 크로스는 그 어느 때보다 더 빠르게 살 길을 찾아내기 시작했는데요.
Eye for an eye. I should have just killed one of them. That's not justice for her. She needs more. It's the choice. The choice. Making me choose one of my own. But why is that important?
그러자 자신이 몰랐던 과거의 어떤 사실을 짐작하게 되는데
What'd they say?
They're looking for Peter.
My God, they're gonna put him in prison. He did it, right? So
I know. Oh, God. With his record, they're gonna bury that boy. Maybe even death sentence. Oh, God. But maybe there's a way that we can help him. That you can help him.
How?
What if someone else confessed? A young white girl, no criminal record, who made a mistake and got scared. Jury would never go hard on someone like that. She might even be out in a year.
Yeah, I'll do it. He's my brother. I have to.
Oh, God. Thank you. What makes you family is how much people love you.
오로지 심증만으로 낸시의 비밀을 밝혀내게 되죠.
Peter, she never told you. Your mother's the reason Deirdre went to prison.
It's a lie.
What you talking about?
I read the letters between you and Deirdre. I saw you racked with guilt knowing she went to prison
Don't listen to
for
him.
something you done.
Don't listen to
Begging
him.
her to change her confession, thinking it was your fault she died, but it wasn't Deirdre's idea to confess, was it?
Shut the fuck up!
Mom, did you?
I had to protect you. That is what mothers do.
생각도 못한 진실에 피터의 죄책감이 폭발하게 되는데요.
Why, Mommy? I'd rather be in jail than know she died because of me.
Don't let him break you like he broke her. No, son, look at me. I'm your mother. I need you to help me finish this.
But Deirdre wouldn't want us to hurt these kids.
No, Deirdre isn't here to tell us what she wants. Do you want to know why? Because he destroyed her. He destroyed our family, and now we are gonna destroy his.
그때 죽은 줄로만 알았던 존이 돌아온 것인데 그의 도움으로 간신히 상황을 뒤집게 됩니다.
You good, John?
Never better.
Don't hurt my baby. It's not his fault.
No, he got to pay.
So do you.
I can't go now. My babies need me.
You don't have a choice.
Those were Maria's last words, Alex. Or at least that's what I was told.
You gonna pay for this.
I'll pay in hell.
No! Mama! Sugar, let's go!
그렇게 무사히 사건을 끝낼 수 있었는데요.
Come here.
시간이 지나고 청장의 부름을 받게 되는데
How's the family? Regina.
She's recovering. We all are.
I wanted to give you a heads up about your hearing. You'll be cleared. So you can put that video behind you and move on. Well, if that is your good news face, Alex, it needs some work.
Getting cleared doesn't erase what I did.
Nobody wants to see you lose your badge. One day you'll thank me. Consider it my last good deed as chief.
So you are running for mayor. And me not facing a disciplinary panel probably helps.
Sure, it helps me, and you get a do-over, but you earned it.
That's not the world I want to live in.
But you do. That's the reality. And if you're not, how are you ever going to change things? You're a hero, Alex, but only you get to decide what that means.
찝찝했지만 조금이라도 더 나은 길을 위해 노력하기로 결심하게 됩니다. 그리고 기다렸던 아들의 콩쿠르 날이 되었는데요.
Here is my hand for you to hold. I love you now. Do you love me still?
So, you're here. What should we talk about?
Maria.
지금까지 크로스였습니다.